Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prabhu IT Solutions. Today we are going to learn how to take the ServiceNow certification data exam for the mainline certificate courses. So to take your data exam, you need to log into Now Learning. As soon as you log in, you will be able to see such prompt on the screen. It's a two-step process. You can see such prompt on the screen. It's a two-step process. First step, we need to pay the CMP, that is Certificate Maintenance Program fee. That is around $200. In case there is no payment due, then we can see such line as no payment due. In case any payment is due, we would be able to see a link here to pay the CMP fee to keep the certification active. Second process is in case any of our data exam is going to expire in some time, then we would be able to see such risk credentials. And to check which certification is going to expire, we need to click on this particular link. Here you can see for me there are 4 courses that is going to expire, and with the expiry date as on 15th April. So I need to complete all these 4 certifications before that to keep them active. Otherwise, I need to re-attempt the complete certification rather than data exam. So for now, I would like to go for the CSN exam. So I need to click on this. As soon as I click on it, it is going to redirect me on a page where I need to register for this particular exam, and then I can take it. To register it, I need to click on the start so that it will enroll me for that particular certification exam. Once you click on it, you can see this particular page where it is prompting me to attempt the exam. Please keep in mind you have 5 attempts, and in one of the attempts you need to clear the exam to keep this certification active. There are total 14 questions and the time duration is 1 hour 30 minutes. And as this is for Xanadu data exam, so please ensure before you take this exam you go to the course where whatever changes has been introduced to this Xanadu data, those you are aware of. And then you can go and click on this start to start your exam. This is how you need to complete all of your certifications which is going to expire before the due date. Thank you.